Wisconsin, Columbia. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Dane County and south central Wisconsin until midnight. At 11:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Verona, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Middleton, Stoughton, Waunakee, Verona, Oregon, McFarland, Monona, Mount Horeb, Marshall, Cottage Grove, Cross Plains, Deerfield, Shorewood Hills, Cambridge, Maple Bluff, Utica, and Rockdale. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Monday morning for southeast Wisconsin.